Nexar 1 connectivity and the cabin, the inside camera. Finally received it. Nice package. Now let's see what we got. Which side should I open it? This side. Let's see what we got here. Got the cabin camera. Something else in there. Gonna have to open it from this side. Connectivity. Let's open this first. Instruction. Nice. The cabin camera. Nice. Now this. Oh, I got this wire. Nice. I thought I wasn't gonna get that. Cool. Nice. This is the OBD. I thought it didn't come with it. Alright, so I got everything. So I did buy an extra OBD because I thought it wasn't gonna come with it. I think I'm gonna be sending this back, but I bought it just in case. So that's everything that came in the box. You got this, and you got that. Nice. You got this thing here. That's it. Instructions. Some extras tape. All right, now it's time. This I'm happy because they're good.